Good morning everyone. My name is Pathanaksa Mehta. We are present playing the golden feather. I am a queen. I am a little man. I am old one. I am a king. I am a prince.
One day, a queen was walking in her garden. Then she found a golden feather.
Wow, beautiful feather.
Then she met a little man.
If you give me that feather, I will give you 3 rings diamond. Sorry.
Then she met an old woman.
If you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls. Sorry.
Then she met a king.
If you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins. Sorry.
Then she met a prince.
Oh, Mama, what a bright, the beautiful feather. Take it, my dear. Keep it safe. Thank you.